Zenia here, founder of Swift Movement Academy. Okay, with our plank hands on Fitball, we're going to go reasonably close with our hands. Make sure we've got a wide grip. The narrower our grip is, the less our base of support, the smaller it is, sorry. So open our hands out and really try and grip that ball. Now, if you're struggling with this, if shoulder stability is one of your issues that we're working on, then we want to make sure that potentially start this with the ball up against a wall. Otherwise, you can progress straight to on the hands. Now, option one is on our knees. So making sure that we're down in this position. You're just holding here. Option two, we want to work towards is coming up onto our toes, like so. Push away with the shoulders, don't sink and sag. Really push, keep the back flat, no booty popping, keep the bum down.